Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagarath. I have come up with a new topic, that is Bachelor of International Finance and Bachelor of Business Administration. This is a dual degree program which is a 4 years program, and this course is being conducted by a very good private university of repute in Latvia, and the university is located in the capital city of Latvia, that is Riga. In this course, the admissions are open, and the criteria of admission is the 12 years of study. The students who have completed secondary education, they are eligible for this course. As far as the cost of the course is concerned, it is much affordable if you compare with other European universities. When you consider the usability of the course, the career prospects of this course, they are really very tremendous. One can, after completion of this course, one can start a career in banking, or they can work in the managerial cadre in any multinational company. So I will start with the details about what the course is about, how much is the fee, what are the requirements for this course, and what is the criteria of admission. Let me repeat again that this is one of the very good universities and one of the very good course, and also the course fee is affordable, and when the students are very going for this course, they are very young, so the living arrangements are also being done by the university. So overall this course is very good. So I will start the video with little brief about how much is the course fee, how much is the duration, what is the requirement of the course, and I will also discuss about the brief steps, that how will you get admissions. And admissions are open in this university. This course is in Banco Scotia University. It is a private university in Latvia, located in Riga. So let us begin the video. The course is Bachelor of International Finance, BBA/B Finance. It is a professional qualification in finance and business administration. The degrees are awarded in association with SBS and BA School of Business and Finance. The name of the university, I will repeat again, is Banco Scotia. It is located in Riga in Latvia. The course structure is of 4 years, and the tuition fee per year is €3,700 per year. The course is open. One can apply for the admission immediately. I will give you the program overview. This unique dual degree study program is conducted in collaboration with SBS Swiss Business School, specializing in international business and finance. The program will provide you a solid base on which you could shape your future career. Regardless of the career path which you choose, from banking, finance, entrepreneurship, or making, this undergraduate program will give you a firm understanding on how to successfully develop yourself in the global business environment. Upon successful completion, you will receive 2 degrees. One, Bachelor of Business Administration, awarded by SBS Swiss Business School, and another degree, Bachelor of Finance, awarded by BA School of Business and Finance. The study program is designed to provide you in-depth and up-to-date knowledge on subjects related to international business and finance. You will develop competencies and skills on understanding global changes and their impact. Though Through case studies, analysis, interactive sessions, and international internship, you will develop capabilities and strategies for managing situations in practical setting. Through the study program, you will develop a range of skills and expertise which you can apply in multiple industries and career paths globally. As a result, the program will prepare you for a successful career in international business and finance. The learning goals and objectives I will briefly describe. The primary goal of the study program is to provide you a solid base for you to develop the knowledge, competency, and expertise. By focusing on current trends and changes within the global business and financial environments, we ensure a modern and up-to-date education. So guys, this is all about the program details. The mode of studies and the tuition fee is, this program is designed as full-time studies at BA School of Business and Finance premises. The international students can assist, for international students, the university can assist you through their local partners in the application process. Document accreditation as well as visa and immigration services can be provided. The help can be provided by the university business partners. BA School of Business and Finance reserves the right to adjust the tuition fee by 10%. Additional information is the dual degree program was developed in compliance with strategic goals set out by the government for the second level higher professional education and professional standard financier. And guys, the main thing which is most important is what is the admission requirement, which I will read out. Secondary school or college education diploma, state examination certificate, grades in Latvian for applicants from Latvia, mathematics and English. So that means from non-EU countries, students, they must have had mathematics and English in their curriculum while doing their studies in class 12th, 11th and 12th. Another requirement may be immatriculation, that is, the enrollment in the study program is organized according to the enrollment regulations of the school, which are being endorsed by the Senate of each coming academic year. So, what is relevant for non-EU students is that they should have a secondary school qualification, that is 10+2, with mathematics and English as their curriculum preferably. However, they have not written that it is a must, but as far as I understand, that if they have mathematics and if they have English, that is better. The level of English requirement is the IELTS examination of 5.5 band, and now I will explain you how you can apply for this course. I will once again repeat that the admissions are open for this course, and the admission is open for international students and for fall 2022 intake. Application process has 10 steps. I will give you the link of the admission process in my description box. I will also give the link of the subject courses being taught in my description box. And majorly the requirements are, for the admission process, you have to fill up the application form, and you have to have an IELTS band score of 5.5. Then you should have a copy of a passport. You should write a curriculum vitae. You should have a copy of secondary school education documents. Then you should have English proficiency certificate, and then you should have mark sheets and transcripts which are to be notarized, and Apart from this, for non-EU citizens, they have a arrangements for the dormitories which are available, and the cost of the dormitories is around 250 euro per month, and the cost of the course I have already covered earlier also. It is 4 years course with a 3700 euro per year course fee. So that means when you take admission in this course, you have to apply through the apply button, and the process is given by the university, and the course is really very good. Those who have completed their 12 years of studies in India, and those who have studied in English language, they can apply for this course, or those who have not studied in English language, they have to give the IELTS band score of 5.5. So I hope this video is helpful to you. All the links, all the relevant links I will be giving in the description box, so that you get all the guidance, all the necessary guidance. And still, if you have any question, you are most welcome to put up your question in the description box. I will give you the details of my email ID in the description box, so that you can reach out with your queries through email also. And I will be discussing about few more courses, bachelor's, master's and PhD programs conducted by the same university in Latvia, where the cost of education is relatively much cheaper, and the admission help is provided by the university, and the admissions are currently open. And so you please look into this course on the university website link, which will also be provided by me. Thank you so much for listening to me, and consider subscribing my channel. And if you like this content, do give a thumbs up, and do write to me the a special video which I can make for you on your demand. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best.